welcome to coding tutorials. Now let's see how to rewrite the type error. Let's hope it was to handle the exception thrown by the code here below. If I just run this by itself, we get the type error because we are trying to square a string which doesn't really make sense. So what we need to do is to put this whole block of code inside of a try block. And this is where indentation is really going to matter because now we need to indent everything in order of alignment. So we have this free block writer and then we can make an except call, and it's up to whether we want to say except and catch that specific type error and then print out a type error or whatever you want. So if I run this, it says type error, watch out. Thank you guys.